How do the affiliates get paid? Is it by MaxWeb or by the advertiser, and how often? Because if they're spending money on ads and they have to wait 60 days for their payments, they're going to run out of cash. So for cash flow purposes, how do they get paid?
It's a great question. They get paid by MaxWeb because that's our job. That's why we're here, right? We cater to affiliates. We tell affiliates, come to us. We have great products. So it's our job to make sure they get paid. And that's the big thing. Even if we wouldn't get paid for something, let's say a product owner decides they're going out of business, they're not paying us, MaxWeb, we are still going to pay the affiliate. Because that's our responsibility, right? That's how we became good in this space, because quickly affiliates learned we can trust these guys. They're paying us on time. They're paying us even when product owners are going out of business, right? So yes, MaxWeb is paying everyone. By default, affiliates get paid once a week, but if you start making money in sales, you can choose to get paid 3 times a week. Some people don't like getting paid that often because they like to, I don't know, some have fees with their banks or whatnot. But for native traffic, they love it. They get paid every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but at least once a week. I know I've heard the stories. There are networks that pay every, few months. That's silly because you need your cash flow. And, sometimes even if an affiliate is paid weekly, they just got started, they only made, I think you need to make, I don't want to give you the wrong. I think you want to make like $15K a month by the time you're moved to faster payments. But honestly, that's just a number. That's when the system kicks in and pays you more. If you tell your account manager, hey, I just made $500, I would love that money to get to me sooner, they can do a few clicks and get that money to you. If an affiliate network tells you, oh, I'm sorry, accounting won't let us, it makes no sense, because it's the network's job to pay the affiliate, right? Yeah. I mean, obviously, we want to wait a bit for quality, right? If you're brand new, the network is probably going to wait a bit, probably 30 days to make sure everything is legitimate. But after that, you should get paid as fast as you need. In MaxWeb's case, we pay up to 3 times a week because it's important to get the cash flow there.
Brilliant. Thank you so much.